Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy and sell in Exness in 2026. For that, first of all, you need to come here on exness.com. Afterwards, simply log in into your account if you haven't already. Now over here, click on the option of My Accounts so that you could see all of your real accounts and the demo accounts. So you need to select your demo or the real account, then click on the option of Trade, then select the option of Exness terminal. You can also select the MT5 terminal if you want to. Now when the terminal is opened in front of you, just like so here, in order to buy and sell, you are going to see the buy sell buttons on the top right hand corner of the screen. So as per your analysis, you just have to simply select whether you want to place a buy order or a sell order. So here, if you have selected that you want to place a sell order, you just have to click on the button of sell and make sure that the sell option is selected here. Afterwards, if you want to place the market order, you can just simply click on the option of confirm sell after adding the volume over here. But for pending orders, you can select the pending order, enter the open price, enter the volume, and then click on the option of confirm sell. Similarly, for the buys, you can click on the option of buy, then make sure that it is selected on buy. Then you can define whether you want to basically purchase it on the market order or the pending order, then enter the amount and confirm your buy. So that's how you can buy and sell in Exness very easily. Thank you.